Today we're going to be looking at labelling the sides of a right angle triangle and how those sides can be different depending on which way you look at the triangle. The first side we're going to look at is this side right here, the side opposite the right angle. This side, no matter how you look at the right angle triangle, is known as the hypotenuse. You might remember that name from Pythagoras. But no matter which way you are looking at this triangle, this will always be the hypotenuse. In trigonometry, we're always trying to deal with angles. Sometimes they're unknown angles, sometimes we know the angles. But the naming of the last two sides of the triangle rely on the positioning of the angle we're dealing with. Let's say the angle that we're looking for is here. In this case, the side that is opposite this angle is known as the opposite side. The side that's next to this angle is known as the adjacent side. Now, of course, all this is different if we're actually dealing with this angle down here. If we're dealing with this green angle down here, then this side is the opposite. And this side here is the adjacent. So, just overlooking those facts, the hypotenuse will always be the side opposite the right angle triangle. The adjacent and opposite sides depend on the angle that you're dealing with. In the case of the red angle, this is our opposite and this is our adjacent. In terms of our green angle, this is the opposite and this is the adjacent.